We're making milkshakes today. Strawberry milkshakes. So what you need is this fantastic stuff. Crusher strawberry milkshake mix. Vanilla ice cream soft scoop. Some perfectly imperfect strawberries. 2 box. Some milk. Let's get in this. Let's cut some straws. Let's cut off the old the hair. Snip, cut, and oh Christ! There we go. Pop them in here. Oh no! Where's the blending bit? That's right. I'll find it in a minute. Cut this bit. Cut, cut, cut. Whack them in. Cut, cut, cut. Chef squid. Cut, cut. Put loads of strawberries in. Loads of these bad boys. There we go, that should do for 2 of them at least. Delicious straws. Move that. Oh, that's not dead. I need to find the blending bit. Damn, son. Where is it? There it is. Blending bit. Let me just dry that up. Dry, mother. That didn't matter, just a little bit wet. Now we add the vanilla scoop. Scream of the ice. Oh my god, that's not soft scoop no more. Oh god. Oh my god. This. Mmm, delicious. I need an ice cream scoop for this. Ice cream. God damn it. It said it's soft scoop. There's nothing soft about this. There we go. Bit of ice cream, that should settle for 2. Now the crush 'em. Sainsbury's. Delicious. £2. Add a little bit. Don't need much. Be about enough. Now for the milk. Add a little bit. Now we blend the bitch. And then whack them on here. Ready to pour. Oh god. Ah. Right, we'll do you first. Let's get rid of that water. Look at it. We'll make a couple of these. Look at that, it was just enough perfect amount for one whole thing. We'll pop the straw in. Milkshake to go. Oh, it's so nice. Delicious stuff. If you want the ingredients, check down in the description, get in my Discord. Peace out.